A tiny spider! A tiny spider starts to climb up the wall, nice and slow, step by step, up and up. See how far it wants to go. Climb, climb, don't give in, up you go again. Climb, climb, try once more, you can reach the top. Drip, drop, here comes rain, washy, splashy all around. Down the spider slides a bit, landing softly on the ground. Shake, shake, don't feel sad, dry your legs again. Shake, shake, try once more, you can start again. Peekaboo, the sun is out, warm and bright across the sky. Up the spider climbs again, reaching high. Give it a try. Climb, climb, up you go, brave and strong today. Tiny spider, try